Okay, so our question is 734 divided by 3. Okay, so we're going to use place value counters to help us do this. So, the first thing I need to do is I need to write it out before I start. So, my dividend is 734. My divisor is 3. And I'm going to try and work out my quotient. So, first thing then, let's make my dividend from place value counters. So, I need 7 hundreds, 3 tens, and 4 units. Let's count these hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I need 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. And now I need 4 units or 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now I've got my dividend. Now I'm doing 734 divided by 3, and I'm going to do that as sharing. So I need 3 hoops to share these between. I've got 1, 2, 3. My divisor is 3. My dividend is 734. So I'm going to start doing that with the place value counters. I need to share them equally. So we're going to put 1 in here, 1 in here, 1 in here. I've still got 4 to share, so I'm going to carry on. 1 in here, 1 in here, 1 in here. I've shared them equally, but I have something left. And so what I need to do is I need to regroup this for 10 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to move that there so I can see that it's 10. Oh, so I'm going to just write down kind of what I've just done, which is I shared my 700s between 3, and that meant that I had 2 in each one. But I did have 1 that was left over, which I needed to regroup. I'm going to put that here, because I had 10 tens. But I also have 3 that were there, so I've currently got 13 tens. Right, let's see what I need to do now. Well, I need to share them equally, so it's time to do that. 1 here, 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 1 here. I've shared them equally and I've got 4 in each one. But again, I've got 1 left over, so I need to regroup that 10 into 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I've now got 10 ones and then the 4 that I had before. So let's see what I was doing. Well, I shared out my 13 tens between 3, and I can see that that meant there was 4 in each. But I did have 1 left over, which I had to regroup into units or ones. So I'm going to pull that down here, because that's 10 ones. But I also had 4 before, so now I've got 14 left to share between 3. So let's do that now. 1 here, 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 1 here. Still sharing equally. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. Oh, I've got 4 in each, you can see. but I've got 2 left over. Now I can't share those equally between those 3 at the moment, so they're going to be a remainder. Let's write down on my written equation what I've done then. I've shared my 14 out equally, and that meant that there was 4 in each. But I did have a remainder of 2, which I'm going to pull down here. So, my answer, or my quotient to this question, is going to be 244 with a remainder of 2. My quotient is 244, remainder 2.